If you're a girl with a oily skin and doesn't know how to take care of her skin, what products to use, which ingredients, or what to do, then this video is definitely for you. Hi, my name is Shivani, and today we are going to talk about oily girl skincare products that is going to be very helpful. So, Daughters Earth is kind enough to send me these products to try it out and review it for you guys, and I'm all set for that. First of all, if you do not know about Daughters Earth is the most latest modern clean beauty brand which combines biochemistry with the wellness of Ayurveda. Isn't it so cool? Because obviously we all know the benefits of Ayurveda. Also, the best part is that it is vegan, it is cruelty free and PETA certified. Also, why I love this brand is because it actually helps in girls child education, and which makes me very honored to collaborate a brand like this. Now let me quickly tell you more about the products. The first product is blue light mist, which helps to protect skin from blue light and pollution. After washing your face, just shake it, spray it all over your face and neck, and dab all the products into your skin, and voila, you will feel so fresh and hydrated. It really feels light and feels very soft and hydrated. It is filled with ingredients like rose, lavender, cucumber, niacinamide, which actually very good for the oily skin, which is extremely important in fact, and kombucha, which is packed with antioxidant which helps remove dead cells and signs of premature aging. The next product is Daughters Earth Vitamin C Booster Powder. Now we all know the benefits of vitamin C, don't we? So this comes in a powder form, and the best part is this comes with a small spatula or spoon thingy. What all you have to do is just mix it with some water-based serum or water, a little amount, and just mix it, pat it on your face and neck, and voila, it gives just instant glow and hydration. Also, the skin feels very soft. It has vitamin C, folic acid, antioxidant, aloe vera and zinc. This formulation is actually designed to boost a healthy, glowing and even looking tone. The next product is Phytonutrient Moisturizer for oily people. Trust me, this product is such a blessing for oily people because this moisturizes skin so well. It hydrates it. Still, it doesn't feel greasy at all because it is very lightweight and has a velvet matte look. Now, I have never heard of anything like this before, like velvet matte look moisturizer, but this feels so good on the skin, so soft and supple. Now it is also rich in antioxidant. It is also helps skin to protect from sun damage. I love using this product in day and night both time, and love how my skin just absorbs it beautifully. The next and my favorite product is Daughters Earth Vitamin E Purifying Mask. Now this product works like magic and I absolutely love this product. The best part is that it comes with a small brush to apply it on your face, which is like very cute, and obviously it is very easy to apply that mask on your face because it is very tiny brush which is very handy. You just need to apply this mask all over your face, which helps in removing tan, detoxifying skin and clearing up the pore, which is like the main issue of an oily skin girl. Apply the thick layer on the face and neck, leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes, and wow, you will definitely see a visible change on your skin. It feels so fresh, hydrating and so soft. Okay, so these were the products that I absolutely loved. Would highly recommend you guys to try it out, especially if you are an oily skin girl just like me. To be honest, I know these products are little expensive. I totally get it, but believe me, it's worth every penny. Also, the packaging and the product, the quality, it's so luxurious that it is actually worth the money. I will link all the link in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, like this video, share it with someone who has the oily skin like me. I will see you in my next video. Till then, please do take care. Bye.